Woke up to the sunlight shining through my window. Another day to cherish, let the good vibes flow. Gratitude's my compass, guiding me each step. Living in the moment, no regrets are left. I'm living a joyful life with a smile so bright. Dancing in the rain, feeling so alive. Every day's a gift, I hold it close and tight. In this beautiful, joyful life. The simple things around me make my heart sing loud. From the whisper of the wind to the laughter in the crowd. No need for diamonds, no need for gold. Happiness is something that can't be